Hey there, Excel enthusiasts! If you're still using VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP, it's time to level up your game with XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is the ultimate formula that makes data retrieval a breeze. So what exactly is XLOOKUP? Think of it as the superhero of lookup functions. It's more flexible, faster, and way less error-prone. Unlike VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP lets you search both vertically and horizontally, eliminating the need for HLOOKUP. And the placement of your data? It doesn't matter anymore. XLOOKUP can look to the left or right, giving you the freedom to organize your spreadsheets however you like. Here's how it works. You simply specify the lookup value, the array to search, and the return array. Need to find an exact match? No problem. XLOOKUP defaults to exact matches but can also handle approximate ones. Now let's talk about those dreaded errors. XLOOKUP has built-in error handling, so you can say goodbye to those nasty #n/a messages. Just add an if not found clause and you're good to go. So why is XLOOKUP better than its predecessors? It's faster, more versatile, and simplifies your workflow by reducing the need for multiple functions. With XLOOKUP, you're not just looking up data, you're unlocking the full potential of Excel. That's a wrap on why XLOOKUP is the ultimate Excel formula. Try it out, and let your spreadsheets soar to new heights. Catch you in the next video.